Hello tech geeks, welcome to my channel and my name is Avinash and I am gonna explain you about widgets and explain you stateful widget as well as stateless widget, and we are seeing everything in detail. Okay, so don't worry about anything here. When we start out with Flutter is a composition of different widgets. That means, for suppose if you have some application, for suppose you have a profile page, you will have something like this, and you have some text like this, some box and text, some box, some text, and here to edit action. This is a button, and here you can see, right, this page is a widget. And this box is a widget, and this text is a widget, and this image is a widget. That means everything in Flutter is a widget. Okay, if you take any application, if you want to develop any application, we have to know about simple things in a widget is nothing but a simple class, and I am going to tell you in detail in next lecture. Okay, so stay tuned to get to know about all these things in future. Okay, for suppose here already you get to know what the widget is. Now you have to know about what the stateful and stateless widget is. For first, stateless widget. What is stateless widget? I already told you what the widget is. Widget is an element in a application. For suppose the application may be anything. For suppose it have some card, and in some card there is some image, there is some text, and and it also contains some box here. In that box there is another matter here. That means widget also can also contain another widget. Here you can see this is one widget, this is one widget, page widget. This page widget consists of another widget, that is the card widget. Okay, and it is inside that widget. You can see right here, this is inside another widget, and in this widget there are so many widgets. Like here there is one widget, this is a image widget, and this is a text widget, and this is another box widget. Inside that box widget there is another box widget. That means everything is aligned inside some widget. Everything is built on top of widgets. Okay, if you are developing some Flutter application, that means you are writing the code which are widgets, which are basically widgets. Now we will see what is the stateless widget means. For suppose I take a simple, I am developing a simple application which is my contact card widget. For suppose if you see any business card, it contains some image which shows your profile, your image. It may be stylish look, it's a very formal look, kind of things, and you have some name. Here my name is Avinash, so I kept it as Avinash, and there is some email email.com, and there is some phone number and all, and maybe there is some, there are this is what the application is. Simply this is what applications look like. Here you can see everything is predefined. There are nothing in this application is changing based on some logic or any predefined entities. If you take this image won't change forever. I mean, not forever, up to we given a before we give an update. Of course, if we can change it, after changing that we can give an update, then it will change. Okay, and this is the widget which has my name. I mean, my name, it will also not change. Okay, and this is the Gmail, and it will also not change, and this is my phone number, this will also not change. Okay, that means you can see, right, in this app we are not changing any entity. Okay, and you are seeing that there is no changes, right? Now if there is another kind of widget which is called as stateful widget. I don't know whether names are correct or not. If my naming conventions are not good, sorry about that. But I will tell you what the things. But no, I will not here to explain you about the spellings and all. Okay. Another one is stateful widget. When you go to any application, like if you take Instagram contains your profile, and here your bio, and here is your username, and here there are some lot of photos here. Okay, and here is the bottom navigation bar with some icons like this. Okay, when you click on some edit here, what happens is it will go on to some another page where you can edit these things, right? For suppose if you click on that image, what happens is a new pop-up will comes on, and what it says is select from gallery or choose some camera. It will shows like this one. Okay, what happens is when you click on this gallery, it will go to some your native base where you can find some photos. This is photo 1, photo 2, photo 3. Okay, I choose photo 4. What happens is when you click on this and click on save, what happens is it will come on to the first page, and in that first page this previous icon is replaced with that new image. You can see, right, here something is changing. That means based on some action, what happens is it is changing its state. You can understand it, right? Here when I'm doing something, what happens is some text is changing to another text. Okay, or some image is replacing with another image. This is image 1, this is image 2. That means from one image to another image. This is what the stateful and stateless widget is. When you are when you want to clearly state the differences, I will give you some information. These are the some differences. You can see it, right? Differences. Okay, first one, this is stateless. These widgets will not be changed across any things, or you can also take it as based on any things. Okay, and if you take stateful widget, the widget will changes according to some action or some condition. When I say some actions, if you click on some image, right, it will go on to new, I mean it will go on to replace another image, right? This is what it means. Based on this is an action. Today here you take an action. For suppose if you want to change in your application, you are displaying some time like 10:30 here. On the next minute itself, what it happens is that the the thing will change like 10:31, right? This is what it should have, what should happen in the app.